make a super scrumptious and masala that stuffed crabs up. So first let's boil the crabs in water with salt and turmeric for around 15 minutes. Then remove all the meat from the crab by opening the shells and scooping the meat from it and also from the legs. Do not discard the crab shells as that's our main element, so clean it and keep it aside. Next, heat oil, add ginger, garlic, onions, green chilies and salt. Fry till the onions turn soft. Then add chopped tomatoes, crushed curry leaves, mix till the tomatoes get cooked. To this add turmeric, red chilli, coriander, garam masala and pepper. Mix it well. Later add crushed fenugreek, mix it again. Then add the crab meat, mix it well with the masala. Top it with some coriander leaves and cook for 5 minutes and keep aside. Next we take the clean crab shells, stuff the cooked masala into this. Coat it with egg and rava. Repeat it again so that the entire stuffing is sealed well. Then heat oil and start frying them on either side for around 5 to 6 minutes. And your mouth-watering aromatic stuffed crabs are ready. The flavor is surely going to captivate your palate, so do give it a try.